In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget and forecast in Xero to get started. Open Xero and look at the top menu. From there, select Reporting and then choose All Reports from the drop-down menu. This takes you to the full reporting area, where you can access the tools needed to create and review your budget. Once you're on the Reports page, go to the Financial Performance section and select Budget Manager. This is where you can build a budget that reflects your expected income and expenses over time. Next, click Select Budget and choose Add New Budget. You will then be prompted to create a new budget file. Give your budget a clear name such as a yearly budget for the period you want to track. A simple descriptive name makes it much easier to find later, especially if you end up creating multiple budgets for different years or departments. After naming the budget, set the number of months you want to include. For example, 12 months, and choose the correct start date. This step is important because it defines the time period your budget will cover and helps keep your reporting aligned with your financial year or planning cycle. Now you can begin entering your expected income and expense figures into the blue boxes. These are your planned numbers, so take your time and enter values that reflect what you realistically expect the business to earn and spend. This is the foundation of your budget. At this point, it helps to understand forecasting. Forecasting means using your budget to predict future sales and costs based on real business data. In other words, you are not just recording targets. You are also using those targets to plan ahead. Xero supports this by helping you project numbers across future periods. If you want to speed up data entry, you can apply formulas. For example, type 500 into a blue box and click the arrow to automatically increase that amount by a percentage each month, such as 10%. This is especially useful if you expect steady growth or repeating patterns in income or expenses. When you've finished entering your budget, click Save. Xero will store the budget so you can use it for planning and reporting. This gives you a practical way to track expected income and expenses and make more informed business decisions. To see how your actual results compare to your plan, go back to Reporting, then All Reports. Under Financial Performance, select Budget Variance. Choose the budget you want to compare against your real numbers. The report will show the variance, meaning the difference between what you planned and what actually happened. This helps you see whether you are overspending, underspending, or performing as expected. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.